Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
Hello everyone, this is Calico the Truth Reviews, and I got a special unboxing for you guys today. I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the Samsung exclusive color Jet Black. Now this comes in 512 gigabytes, and it's boasting a 6.9-inch AMOLED screen. Of course, I've been out of the loop with Samsung for a long time now. I also brought out the trusty Galaxy the Note 20 Ultra 5G. I'm actually trading in this device as a trade-in deal for this S25 Ultra. And there's a backstory behind it, why I am trading in this device. Don't mind me, I'm a little bit out of the loop, y'all, but let's go over some specs. Definitely gonna have to go over some specs and talk this over for sure. So they're saying that the screen is a 3120 by 1440p resolution. Not sure how much PPI that is. Just know that the screen is beautiful. Flat screen, not curved this year. So I've been out of Samsung for a while. I haven't had a Galaxy since the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So, and once they got rid of the Samsung Galaxy Note series, man, like I was torn. I didn't want to really go back to the S series, but something was always calling me back. And shout out to my man Carlos, man. Shout out to my man Carlos. You know, I always been telling him like, yo, I'm planning on going back to being a Samsung Knight again. I used to be heavy into Samsung before I actually switched sides and started loving the iPhone. So with that being said, I do want to go skim over a few little things here with what they're boasting for the specs. All right. So they're saying that it has an adaptive refresh rate of 120 FPS, so that you're gonna have real smooth scrolling and actually reading text or whatever the case may be. Playing high intensive games on this device is definitely going to be suitable for your everyday needs, whether you're gaming, whether you're multitasking, whether you're doing so many other things that may pertain to productivity or if you use your phone for work. So that's just one of the things that I want to talk about for sure. So this year, they're talking about the S Pen. It's very controversial. The S Pen is no longer Bluetooth enabled. So that's going to be a major letdown for everybody this year. I'm sure that a lot of people are frustrated, angry. I've been looking at forums. A lot of people have just been going wall to wall about it, like, oh, I can't use the Bluetooth S Pen to snap pictures. I can't use the S Pen to change music and different things. And I understand their pain because the S Pen is a crucial thing that we use when we use these devices. And we rather have it than not needed to have it at all, right? So I feel like Samsung did kind of backtrack a little bit, taking away the S Pen, because yes, the S Pen was a great addition. They still have it, but no, it's no longer has a button that's clickable where you can actually click it to use to snap pictures, and you know, you can actually set the phone up with some of the people that you actually like to sit beside and actually snap a picture. And I understand that, you know what I'm saying? Me firsthand, I understand that all the way. So please believe, I understand exactly how you guys feel. I feel the same way, man, but I did get this phone on a little deal. I paid $755 for this phone, traded in my Note 20 Ultra 5G. It was $650 towards it. So all in all, man, it was a pretty good deal. Plus, on top of that, another reason why I'm trading up this device, of course, is I don't know if you guys can see it, but I might get a zoom in on it, but I got some dead pixels on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G here. So I've been having that dilemma going on so far with the dead pixels on the phone, and I just decided, you know what? I've been kind of missing being in the loop with Samsung. Always been talking about going back to having two phones, because if anybody knows me, I used to always rock two phones, and that's just the way I used to rock, man. So please believe that's just the way how I like to get busy, all right? But enough of that, man. Let's get back to some of these specs on this phone because I'm sure you guys want to go ahead and see it for yourself. So we can go ahead and get this unboxing experience going. So I'm going to go ahead and set my Note 20 Ultra 5G to the side. But yes, this is goodbye to the old friend, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. I'm going to miss this device. It definitely worked out for me in the long run. So it's hard saying goodbye to a good device that you definitely love, all right? But anyway, let's finish up with these specs, shall we? Now this device is running the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, so they're saying that it's better for efficiency. They also have the battery life, which is 5,000 milliamps. I never had the S24, the S23, or the S22, not even the S21 or the S20. So this is gonna be an all new experience for me. So I'm gonna definitely go into it with a clean slate. You know, I'm gonna give it its fair shake. And they're talking about it's got like 12 gigabytes of RAM. 12 gigabytes of RAM is kind of low. I think that 16 gigs would be a lot more efficient for most people. That's enough for any phone to be usable. You are working with a quad camera setup, a 200 megapixel wide angle lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom, a second 50 megapixel telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and then also you have a 12 megapixel selfie shooter, all right? So they're boosting that. They really hammered it home during that keynote, talking about how, you know, the cameras are so remarkable at nighttime. We're gonna test it out. And if you guys want to see my day in the life S25 Ultra video, smash that like button. Hopefully we get it up to 300 likes. And if not, then, you know, we're going to keep it moving. It has a fingerprint scanner, USB-C charging, as well as a biometric face unlock. All right. So I don't know if the face unlock is biometric, but you know what? The face unlock, I don't know. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to see how it is for sure. The colors for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra goes titanium white, silver, titanium black. They also have titanium gray, and I think that was it. But they also have some Samsung exclusive colors. They have a titanium rose pink. They also have a titanium jade green, and then they also have a titanium jet black. I opted for the titanium jet black color just because it's a Samsung online exclusive. You can't get it anywhere else except for online on Samsung.com. So it is an exclusive color. I've seen a few pictures, a few shots of it, and it looked like it's a clean matte black color. So I'm definitely interested into seeing what this device looks like. It's a titanium jet black matte black color. All right, so this thing is gonna probably look hot. All right, it's gonna definitely look fire. The anticipation is there. And also I opted in to try Xfinity Mobile. I'm trying Xfinity Mobile since this device is unlocked. I was gonna go to T-Mobile, guys, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go in and opt in for Xfinity Mobile. I'm gonna give them a shot and see if this actually works out for me. But if not, then I always got the choice to, you know what I'm saying, take my business elsewhere, you know, go to another carrier, whether that's T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, whatever the case may be. Since it is an unlocked device, I'm not opted into any contract. So with that being said, if you want to know anything more about Xfinity Mobile, leave that down in the comment section. I'll be happy to, you know, explain everything there is about Xfinity Mobile. So far, you know, I think that it's an okay deal. I don't think that it's a bad deal, but I'm still running Verizon on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I do have to do the full review on that device soon. But this isn't about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's all about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and get this started, all right? So let's go ahead and cut the box open here. All right, guys, so as I open the box here, I'm greeted with some type of paper material, I guess, that Samsung has here. Let's go ahead and I know I did order a couple cases with Samsung on Samsung.com when I had ordered the device. All right, and this is just some type of paper material. I could probably use that to send back off the old device. And then also I got 2 cases. As for pre-ordering the device, I got the Galaxy S25 Ultra silicone case, and as well as the Galaxy S25 Ultra standing grip case, all right? And then I also have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this is in titanium jet black, all right? So that is going to be a cool device here. As you see here, it has some of the colors at the top, the rose gold pink, the jet black, and the jade green right there. They got pull tabs so you can pull it. It says the packaging contains the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen, USB to USB-C cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and then you're pretty much just getting a simple presentation. Nothing too crazy. And then also it says at the bottom exactly what device you got, the titanium jet black, and that's just my information at the bottom. All right. And they're saying it's printed with soy ink. Of course, they're worried about the environment, of course, and definitely got that minimalistic feel because they definitely trying to hug a tree. They're thinking about saving the earth. I understand. Listen, I'm all about saving the earth too, but Samsung, give us another charger in the box. We shouldn't have to go without chargers in the box. All right, we want to definitely have chargers. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and pull the tab here. That's one. Let's pull the tab here. All right, 2. And for the guy of the show here. Oh yeah, that is nice there. That is a nice color, nice matte black color. I don't know how that's translating on camera, guys, but that is a very nice color with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That is a beautiful design. I'm loving it. Let me go and peel off this sticker here while I'm thinking about it. Go ahead and peel off this sticker. All right, so I'm gonna stick that in here. All right, so let's see what else comes in the box here. Okay, what else comes in the box? You get your terms and conditions, your guide here. And then you also get, let's see, get a USB-C to USB-C cable and a SIM ejector pin here. All right, so I may use that in a sec. A SIM ejector pin, all right. All right, so, all right, guys, so that is all that comes in the box. Now, let's go ahead and pull this baby out of the sleeve here. Oh yeah, that is a very nice color. Let's get a close up of that for sure. As on the top, like you got some microphones and some speaker slots there. Like you have an antenna here. You got a button here, another power button there. And looks like you got your USB-C there, as well as your SIM card slot. Look like there's another speaker. And this is your S Pen. It's kind of gray with a black tip there. So gray with a black tip, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and peel this off here. Let's go and peel it on off. Let's go ahead and peel it off slowly. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and give it its first boot, you guys. See if it's got any juice. That took rather long to boot up. Okay. Okay, so this says welcome. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just pause the video real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, go through the prompts of it, and actually set up all my information. And then when I come back, I'll show you guys what the main screen looks like when I finally set everything up. So give me a minute, I will be right back. Okay guys, so I got it all set up, ready to go. So far it's been very fluid, very fast from what I can see. I'm loving this device. So far it's very fluid, very fast. So far, I mean, my first impressions of it, it's pretty good. I've been liking the whole interface. Everything's been very smooth. I had looked at a few of the apps, some of the videos and stuff, and I was like, this thing is gonna be nice, man. So that full review is gonna be coming very, very soon. I know it's getting kind of late. Me and the wife, we had a long day. I'm gonna get ready to wind this video down, edit it, and get ready to get it out to you guys. So without further ado, man, yeah, definitely, I want you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I was about to say 5G. This has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. All right. So without further ado, I hope you guys like the video. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Peace.